These are 5 free AI tools I actually use to cut down the busy work in my day. No subscriptions, no credit card. In the next few minutes, I'll show you each one and exactly how I use it. Tool number 1, Grammarly. And before you click off, this isn't just a spell checker. The free tier catches grammar, spelling, and basic tone issues as you write, and it gives you a limited number of AI suggestions each month, around 100 prompts through Grammarly Go. Full rewrites and advanced tone control are part of Grammarly Pro, which runs about $12 a month. But for catching the obvious stuff before you hit send, the free tier does the job. And by the way, tool number 4 on this list is one most people have never heard of. Keep watching. Tool 2 is obvious, but most people use it wrong. ChatGPT's free tier is not a search engine, it's a thinking partner. Every morning, I paste my task list and type, organize this by energy level and urgency, and tell me what to cut. It gives me a prioritized plan in about 10 seconds. Pull up your phone right now. Look at how many apps you use for productivity. If it's more than 5, you're probably losing time to the tools that are supposed to save it. Tool 3, Notion, free tier. Notion AI is a paid add-on, but the free templates the community has built are genuinely useful. There's a free second brain template, a weekly review template, and a project tracker that can replace a few separate apps. I'll link the exact ones I use in the description. If these first 3 tools clicked for you, hit subscribe. Tools 4 and 5 are the ones I lean on most. Tool 4 is for anyone creating content, presentations, or training materials. ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 characters of AI voiceover per month on the free tier. That's enough for 2 or 3 short videos. The voice quality is strong and it saves time on recording and editing. Tool 5, Todoist. The free tier gives you up to 5 active projects, recurring tasks, and a clean interface that syncs across every device. The key is using it with one rule. If it's not in Todoist, it doesn't exist. That single habit cuts down the mental load of trying to remember everything. So that's 5 free tools: Grammarly, ChatGPT, Notion, ElevenLabs, and Todoist. Start with just 2. Pick the ones that match your biggest time drain and spend 20 minutes setting them up this week. I've linked the templates and prompts I use in the description. And if this gave you even one new idea, subscribe. I post one of these every week. No hype, just tools that work.